Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful decoration. If you guys can see, it is all copper colored. All right, it's all colored in. It comes with a lot of LED lights wrapped around the actual bird. There's a little hanging area so you could hang it on your highest porch. The batteries, this is AAA batteries. They're not included. You need to have 1, 2, and 3 batteries. There's an on button here, on and off button, and then of course you got your water. This is going to be protective because it's underneath, so it's going to be more like a waterproof, but not submerged. All right. So the actual system sets up in here. We're going to set it up and see how beautiful it looks at night. So let's go ahead and take a look.